Hi, I'm with Dorman Products, and I'm here to talk to you today about our air door actuators. The air door actuator goes by a few names. You'll commonly hear it called the blend door actuator or the blend door motor. There are a few others we'll get to in a bit, but most folks will use one of those names. The air door actuator is a small electric motor that moves the doors within the HVAC system. Customer complaints of knocking, popping, or clicking from the dash when altering HVAC controls are some of the classic symptoms. But some customers may notice the HVAC system not responding to vent change requests or improperly blending air too. It can pay to make sure the actuator is truly at fault. Often the failure is within the door itself. For these cars, Dorman offers blend doors, blend door gears, and blend door repair kits. You should be aware that multiple air doors exist, and not every car has every type, nor does every car have electrically operated air doors, though most do. Let's talk about a few of the types real quickly so you can be confident you're helping your customer diagnose the correct piece. We mentioned the blend door earlier. This is the door that blends hot and cool air to achieve the desired temperature. This door is generally located close to the heater core, but not always. Next, we had the mode door. The mode door generally determines through what vents the air requested will travel, like the defroster or the floor or the panel vents. After that, we have the air inlet door, which may also be called the vent door. This controls how much outside air is pulled into the vehicle. We also have the recirculation door, commonly shortened to the recirc. The recirc door is what controls how much conditioned air is pulled right from the cabin itself. Depending on the HVAC layout, this may be the same as the air inlet door or a separate unit. Repair of these is sometimes easy, but occasionally they are buried in the dash. Standard hand tools, radio removal tools, and trim sticks can be very helpful to someone doing this job, especially the first time out of the gate. Depending on the vehicle, it may not be inappropriate to suggest a blower motor or a blower resistor if it's nearby and difficult to get to. Other than that, install is pretty straightforward as long as the diag is correct. Feel confident selling Dorman ADAs for a few reasons. We have wonderful coverage because we've been doing this for a long time, over 15 years. We have stringent engineering requirements and quality testing in place, and our mix of actuators, doors, repair kits, and gears means you'll have the most appropriate repair solution on your shelf for the most common vehicle failures. If your customer has an HVAC issue, odds are excellent Dorman has a solution for the problem. And you'll likely have that solution on your shelf because we also aggressively consolidate parts where possible, meaning each SKU works a little harder for you, conserving valuable shelf space. And remember, if you need any help before, during, or after the sale, our Dorman technical support team is always handy to help. Give them a call at 866-933-2911. Thanks for taking a little time to brush up on air door actuators. We hope it helps you and your customers. I'll see you next time.